So who smiles more, men or women?
Well, I find more men and women both smile. It's not a matter of that whom it's a male or female. I find both in my surrounding or in my friend circle, both are equally participant. I didn't consider the smile is associated with or correlated with the gender.
I don't
Uh,
consider, not didn't consider. I
Okay,
don't.
I don't consider, yeah, or I would say on top of that, I didn't find gender is correlated with the smiles.
Hmm.
So I would say both men and women equally smile, in my opinion.
Okay, fine. Now the next question is, do you think people should control their moods?
Well, uh, I would say the mood depends upon the situation, but in order to change mood, we yeah, it in our hand we can control it. For example, if we are not feeling good, then we can go to some company and we can have a good conversation. It will change our mind with a smile. It especially happened with me whenever I got upset. I usually go with my friends and we share a good talk and we smile and it changes my mood.
Okay, okay. See, you should, I think you need to answer as per the question. So this is speaking part three. So you need to elaborate, and you are elaborating your answers. But when do you think people should control their moods? So there are happy moods and there are bad moods. Okay.
Yes.
So when we are happy, though we feel we have positive emotions in ourselves, but it is better to control negative emotions. So negative moods should be controlled by people. When people feel angry, hatred, when people get feeling of hatred or jealousy towards the other people. So I think they need to control on that, but I don't think that they need to control on positive emotions of, for example, happiness or affection towards other people. Okay, so
Okay.
so
Okay.
basically you can say that I think people should control their bad moods or negative emotions of anger, hatred, and jealousy, because that can have an adverse effect on the mood of the other person also. However, I believe that people do not need to control their happy emotions.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So yes, yes, that would be a descriptive one.
Yes, so
Yeah.
now you answer again. How do you think people should control their moods?
Yes. In many ways, I find the people should control their emotions. For example, the especially the bad emotions. Uh, in case of anger or hatred, if they will not control it, it might affect their the behavior in the society. So it need to be controlled properly, and the good mood can always be shared openly among the friends and the society.
Hmm. Okay.
I found, yeah.
Okay, fine. So you said that it might affect their behavior in the society. You need to say it
Yes, yes,
their
yes.
behavior might affect the mood of others, or
Yeah,
might give a negative impression about them in the society.
yes, yes. I just wanted to say if we behave badly in case of the elevated negative emotions like hatred or anger,
Hmm.
then our means our perception toward the society, someone might take it that this person is having such kind of anger and eager and hatred. So it will give a message to the society that it will show the behavioral image, our behavioral image to the society. It will convey a message to the society.
Yes, so definitely it might not show a positive behavioral image towards the society, and
Society.
and the
Yes.
people in the society can have a different perception of a person's
Yeah.
behavior.
it will affect the relation as well.
Yes, it can also affect the relations between the people, or his or that particular person's relation with the others in the society, or even with his friends and family members. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
So basically, I wanted to tell you about the structure of your sentence when you said that it might affect their behavior. So you can say that his negative behavior can give a bad impression toward in the society, or in front of the others. Okay. And then
Okay.
in place of saying affect their behavior, their perception of that person might change. That is a better way.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So, so that I said that it could affect the perception of our towards the society. Like the people can think of our behavior. Like I
Yes,
try to say this.
so it
Yeah.
will affect the perception of the people for the person
Perception.
who
Yes. Yes.
behaves in that
Towards,
manner.
yeah. Towards individual. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now I'll ask the next question.